In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth issues in Windows 10 or 11. So first, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on and click on the Windows icon and then go to Settings. If you don't see the Settings app, search for it. Go to Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure that the Bluetooth switch is toggled on, and you can also add devices here. If it's still on and still not working, try the next fix. Open Services, search for Services, find the Bluetooth services, and you'll see three options. Make sure that all three are set to automatic, and this ensures Bluetooth is available when your computer starts. Currently, they might be set to manual. Now to change this, click on the service, right-click and select Properties, change Startup Type to Automatic, and then click on Apply and OK. Repeat this for all three Bluetooth services, and after setting all three to automatic, restart your computer. Check if the Bluetooth is working and if you can connect to devices. If not, run the troubleshooter. Click Other Troubleshooters and find Bluetooth and click on Run. Follow the on-screen instructions. The troubleshooter should identify and fix any problems. If it says Bluetooth is fine, the issue might be with the device you're connecting to, so ensure that device is turned on and in pairing mode. So I hope one of these methods worked for you. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.